Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to demonstrate the Gaussian elimination method. So the example is this. Use the Gaussian elimination to solve the system of linear equations written on the whiteboard right now. So before we carry out on the reduction of the systems of equation, we're going first to, we're going to create an augmented matrix for this. So 0, 2, 0, -8. 1, -2, -3, 0. -1, 1, 2, and 3. So there you have it. We now we now can proceed to the row reduction. We now can proceed to the row reduction. So first, let us swap these two because the 0 is beneficial for us. We already could have um, the advantage. No, we don't need to reduce this anymore because it's already 0, I guess. So 0, 2, 1, -8, then 1, -2, -3, 0. So the next one is add row 1 to row 3. So R1 plus R3. So -1 plus 1 is 0. -2 plus 1 is -1. -3 plus 2 is -1. 0 plus 3 is 3. Let us swap now the row 2 and row 3. So this is -1, -1, then 2, 1, then 3, and -8. After that, add twice row 2 to row 3. So -1 times 2 is -2 plus 2. This was 0. -1 times 2 is -2 plus R3. So this will give us -1. Then 3 times 2 is 6 plus -8 is equal to what? -2. After that, we have reduced the lower triangular of the matrix, and so we can write the equation now. Let's write it here. So negative x sub 3 is -2. It's equal to -2. Negative x sub 2 minus negative x sub 3 is equal to 3. Then x sub 1 minus 2x sub 2 minus 3x sub 3 is equal to 0. So let's simplify this one. Multiply both sides by negative. We will be having x cubed, nope, x sub 3 is equal to 2. Knowing that we now have the value of x sub 3, we could change this into what? To 2. And then moving this -2 on the other side, we'll get 3 plus 2. Then multiply both sides by negative. We'll be arriving with x sub 2 is equal to -5. Having the value, we will now be substituting this 2 here. So -2 times -5 minus 3 times 2 is equal to 0. Don't forget the x1. Then we could simply just transpose the x1 to the other side. and then multiply both sides by -1. So this will be x1, and then um, 10 minus 6, -1. And so our x sub 1 is equal to 10 minus 6 is 4 times -1 is -4. So the solution for the set of equations is x sub 1 is equal to -4, x sub 2 is equal to -5, and x sub 3 is equal to 2. And at this point, I think we have just solved it.